You can't tell me nothing. Hey, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, y'all, get ready to screenshot. These are all the items you will need in order to slay your wigs yourself. So I'm not going to be posting the link, so make sure y'all go ahead and screenshot. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is clean off your forehead with some alcohol, and then you're going to take some Got To Be glue spray and just spray your hairline. And I'm only spraying like a little bit of my hairline because the wig that I'm going to be installing is a 4x4 lace closure wig. So it's like a closure, so I'm only going to be spraying a little bit of my head. So just spray the product in that area and then blow dry it. And you want to spray a good amount. So now it's time to cut the cap. You're going to cut that little area. So you're just going to cut off the remaining cap, like that extra access cap, like you see me doing in the video here. I was jamming listening to music, y'all. Don't mind me. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up too. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, so now I'm just gonna take this cream foundation and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend that cream foundation into the cap so that it matches my skin tone. And I'm gonna apply that cream foundation on the lace of my wig as well. I do not bleach the knots, I just apply the cream foundation to the actual lace of the wig instead of bleaching the knots.
Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V best girl.
Okay, so once the wig is adjusted in the back, you want to go ahead and get your lace glue, and this is from my brand. You're going to take that lace glue and apply some lace to your forehead, the same area where you applied that Got To Be glue, and then you just want to spread it out using anything you want. I tried to use the comb, the rat tail comb, but I didn't like it, so I just used my fingers to spread it out. And then I'm just going to blow dry it until it turns clear. And I'm going to apply 2 layers of this glue. It is recommended to apply 3 layers so that your wigs can last longer. But you pretty much can use however many layers you want. And I use 2 layers. Okay, so once that is dry, you just want to go ahead and pull down your wig into that glue. And then you're just going to take your comb and comb the hair, like comb the wig into that glue. Okay, so now I'm just gonna section out some baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna spray this area with some Got2b just to make sure that we have a secured foundation. And then I'm gonna apply my elastic band. And this elastic band is gonna be key to making sure that your lace is laid and melted down. As you can see, it says melt down because you need this elastic band in order to melt your lace. And I'm gonna make sure I have these products available for y'all very, very soon. So just stay tuned for that. So now I'm gonna just cut the lace. It's time to cut the lace. I'm gonna take some scissors, cut in the middle, and then use this razor to cut off the lace. And you can get this razor from any beauty supply store or even Walgreens for $1. Okay, so now I'm just gonna section out my baby hairs again. Okay, so the wax stick is key to get your wig to lay flat. So make sure you got you a wax stick. And make sure you got you a hot comb because you want to hot comb and lay down that lay down your wig. So if you ain't got no hot comb, don't worry. I'm gonna have hot combs available for you real soon. So another key part of laying your wig and making it look natural is to go crazy on plucking. So you want to pluck the heck out of your baby hairs so that your wig can look natural. And y'all gonna see, because I plucked like crazy. So yeah, just pluck, 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 pluck your baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my baby hairs using this razor. So after I cut my baby hairs, you want to go ahead and curl them. And I use this these Babyless Pro flat irons, and I got these from Ulta. So I took some foam wrap, that Nairobi foam wrap, the blue foam wrap. I just took that and swooped out my baby hairs. And then I'm just going in and making sure that my wig is flat at the top with my hot comb. And you could use some Nairobi foam wrap to lay it on your wig as well, just to make sure everything is laid flat and slayed, period. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that cream foundation and define my part. So I put that foundation on my part and on the areas where the baby hair is as well. And then I'm just gonna take this black spray and spray it on the hairline just to clean it up.
You can't tell me nothing. Hey, you can't tell me nothing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. As you can see, I slayed this wig. Period. Let me turn around. Let me make sure. Yes, slayed. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much how I slay my wigs. I hope this video is very helpful. Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.